Waste Management Service in Marked-Tree, Arkansas. For dependable waste management in Marked-Tree, Arkansas, choose Sullivan's Dumpster Rental. We are committed to providing high-quality dumpster rentals to homeowners, businesses, and contractors throughout Marked-Tree. No project is too large or too small for us. Whether you are cleaning out a garage, remodeling your kitchen, or running a commercial construction job, we have the perfect waste solution. Our straightforward process enables you to schedule a dumpster quickly, and we guarantee on-time delivery and pickup. We're committed to making waste removal easy and hassle-free. Our local team understands the unique needs of Marked-Tree residents. We provide personalized service, clear communication, and support throughout your rental period. Our commitment to honest pricing and exceptional customer care sets us apart. You'll never deal with hidden fees, just fair rates and reliable service. We also take sustainability seriously. That means following strict environmental practices and disposing of waste properly. It's all part of our mission to serve the community responsibly. That means following strict environmental practices and disposing of waste properly. It's all part of our mission to serve the community responsibly. Let us help you simplify your subsequent cleanout or construction project. For reliable waste management services, call 870-316-8896.
We're here to make a clean difference. Let's start today.